In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the Monday.com free plan step by step so you can start managing your projects, tasks, and workflows without paying anything. If you're new to Monday.com or wondering what you can actually do on the free plan, this guide will walk you through everything from creating a workspace to customizing your first board. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials. All right, let's jump in. First, we're going to create a workspace. Go ahead and log in to Monday.com. Once you're inside your account, look over to the left-hand panel. This is where all your workspaces and boards live. To create a new workspace, click on the button that says Add Workspace. A pop-up will appear asking you to name it. You can call it something like My Projects, Client Work, or anything that matches what you're planning to manage. After typing the name, click Create Workspace. And that's it. Your workspace is now ready. Think of a workspace as a container that holds all your related boards. Next, let's create your first board. Inside the workspace you just created, click the Add button, then select New Board. You'll be asked to name your board. This could be something like Marketing Plan, Website Redesign, or Task Manager. Under Board Type, choose Main Board. On the free plan, the main board is perfect for personal use or small team collaboration. Then click Create Board. You'll now see a blank board ready for customization. Now let's organize it by adding groups. Groups help you separate tasks into sections. On your board, look for the blue Add Group button. Click it and type a group name. Common examples are To Do, In Progress, and Completed. You can create multiple groups depending on your workflow. Groups make it much easier to visually organize your tasks and track progress at a glance. Once your groups are set up, it's time to add items, which are basically your tasks. Under any group, click Add or New Item. Type the name of your task, for example, Website Design, and press Enter to save it. Repeat this process to add as many tasks as you need. Keep in mind that the Monday.com free plan allows up to 1,000 items total, which is more than enough for personal projects or small teams just getting started. Now let's customize your board by adding and editing columns. Columns are what give your board structure and allow you to track specific information about each task. At the top right of your board header, click the plus icon to add a new column. You'll see different column types such as status, date, people, text, and numbers. For example, you can add a status column to track whether a task is working on it, stuck, or done. You can add a date column to set deadlines, a people column to assign tasks, or a numbers column to track budgets or hours. Once a column is added, simply click inside a cell to start editing. This is how you fully customize your workflow inside the free plan. And that's the basics of using Monday.com on the free plan. You've created a workspace, built your first board, added groups, added tasks, and customized your columns. From here, you can start experimenting with different board views and organizing your projects in a way that works best for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.